picked up this bare frame for upholstery and restoration. Looks to be mostly handcrafted from around the 1950s. Came with a complete spring setup and matching clips. I gave the metal a bit of a clean up and a few coats of anti-rust spray paint. The timber work needed many hours of sanding before giving it a durable clear finish. The back is set up for minimal padding, so I'll go for a 1-inch foam followed by a 1/2-inch overlay. The cuts can be quite tricky, but they get a lot easier with experience. It's important to keep the pattern centred so that it flows on through into the seat cushion. I'll staple on some piping for the outback and use the metal cover fix for a nice neat finish. There's quilting to cover the springs and protect the cushion, along with a fabric trim for the visible edges. Finished off the seat with a new foam and Dacron. And here's the finished result, a colourful Bentwood armchair.